am going to explain and analyze Budapest defense reps. I am going to explain 1 to 6 chapter one by one. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the first chapter. Let's start with Queen's pawn opening d4. This is chapter 1. Okay, Queen's pawn k. Okay, another move of black, knight f6, Indian defense, then c4, Indian defense normal variation, this move. Now the white pawn is attack the center squares. Okay, another move is e5. Okay, now black resign in fifth move only because queen wrap the bishop. Okay, another move d5. Okay, another move of black go to bishop b4 and beautiful check. Okay, then knight c3, black the check. Another move of black d6. This is big blunder because you can see right now queen a4 and beautiful check. Now wrap the bishop, easily cut the bishop right now. This queen cut the bishop and the queen going to check here. That's why black resigned his king. Okay, this is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2. Okay, this is chapter 2. Black wins by checkmate in 5 moves only. Black wins by checkmate in 5 moves. Okay, let's start with d4. This is chapter 2. Okay, another move, knight f6, Indian defense, c4, Indian defense normal variation. Another move of black, e5. This is Budapest defense. Then d5, bishop c5. Okay, then bishop g5. Now pin the knight. Okay, now another move of black, knight e4. Now attack the white bishop. Now white bishop cut the queen, black queen. Then easy checkmate with the black bishop. Bishop cross f2 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is brilliant and super checkmate. Black wins by checkmate in 5 moves. That's it. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Why white resign in 8 moves? Why white resign in 8 moves? This is chapter 3. Okay, let's start with d4. Queen's pawn came, knight f6, Indian defense, c4, Indian defense normal variation. Another move of black e5, Indian defense, Budapest defense. Another move d5. Okay, another move of black bishop c5. Okay, then bishop g5. Then knight go to e4. Attack the bishop, white bishop, white black knight. Then bishop go to e3. Okay, then bishop cross e3, f cross e3, then queen h4 and beautiful check. Okay, now you can see why white resign in 8 moves. Okay, now 2 moves, after 2 moves, white resign. Another move of white, g3. Okay, then knight cross g3. Okay, then knight f3, attack the queen, and then queen h6. Now white resign this game. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 3. Okay, we can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. White resign in 7 moves only. Why white resign? You can see right now. d4, queen's pawn came, knight f6, Indian defense, c4, Indian defense normal variation, e5, another move. This is called Indian defense, Budapest defense. Next move, white d cross e5, Indian defense, Budapest defense. Then knight go to e4, Indian defense, Budapest, Gambit. Okay, another move, a3. Okay, then d6, attack the e5 pawn, y black pawn. Then e cross d6, bishop plus g6. Okay, then g3. Another move of black. Black cross, knight cross, f2. Okay, now king cross f2. Then bishop cross g3 and we will check. Okay, right now white resign this game because you can see right now why black resign, white resign. If here is a black check, then the queen cut the queen. Okay, understand? If king go to king must cut the bishop, then queen cut the white queen. That's it. That's why white resign this game. This is chapter 4. We can go now chapter 5. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5. Why white? How to black beans white checkmate in 10 moves? How to black bean white checkmate in 10 moves in Budapest defense? Okay. Let's start with d4. Queen's pawn came. Knight f6. Indian defense. Then c4. Indian defense normal variation. e5. Budapest defense. Another move of white, d cross e5, knight go to e4, Indian defense, Budapest defense, failure of Gambit. Next move of pawn, queen c2, attack the knight now, then bishop b4 and we will check. Okay, then knight d2, okay, black the check now, then d5 pawn, push the d5 pawn, okay, now defend the knight, black knight, y, black pawn. Next move, e cross d4. Okay, another move of black, bishop f5. Okay, this is the danger move because white need to think carefully. Okay, understand? Another move, queen a4 and we will check. Okay, knight c6, black the check. Then a3, attack the bishop. Okay, another move, knight go to c5. Now attack the queen right now. Now d cross c7. Okay, now you can see queen go to e7. Okay. If white queen go to d1. Okay, now the knight d3 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Now black wins white checkmate. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 5. We can go now chapter 6. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6. Why white resign in 9 moves only? You can see right now why white resign. Let's start with the d4 opening. d4, queen's pawn came, knight f6, c4 e5. Okay, Budapest defense, Indian defense. Another move, d cross e5, knight e4, queen c2, then d5, c cross d5, queen cross d5. Okay, you can see white resign. Okay, this is a famous move. Okay, another move, queen cross c7, then bishop b4 and we will check. Okay, now black the check, knight d2. After that, knight cross d2, cut the knight. Now queen cross c8 and we will check. Then king go to e7, then queen c7 and we will check. Then king go to e6. Okay, now the white cannot block the checkmate because only way if move like this, now beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why white resigned this game. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 6. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much. God bless everyone. That's it.